Have you ever stopped to think that everything you believe to be true could actually be a convenient lie created by society or yourself? Welcome back. If you're not subscribed yet, don't waste any more time. Hit that subscribe button because what we're about to discuss today will change the way you see reality. Let's dive deeper into the mind of the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche and uncover what he has to say about the truths that imprison us. If you love to question everything and think outside the box, you're in the right place. When we talk about absolute truths, what do we really mean? Most of us believe there are things in the world that are incontestable, immutable. But what if these truths are just convenient constructions made to keep us in line? Nietzsche wasn't afraid to question everything, even the idea of truth itself. To him, truth isn't something given, it's something created by those who want to control us. Have you ever heard Nietzsche's famous phrase, "God is dead"? But did you know it's not just a criticism of religion? It's about something deeper. When Nietzsche says God is dead, he's telling us that we can no longer rely on external, objective, or universal truths. He's urging us to face the existential void that comes when all these absolute truths fall apart. Nietzsche argues that the absolute truths we follow are, in fact, tools of power. Whoever defines what is true controls the people. He asks, who benefits from the truth we're following? Could it be that our beliefs and values are actually tools of social control rather than genuine reflections of reality? Now that we've demolished the lies of truth, what's left? Nietzsche gives us a radical solution. Create your own values. There are no absolute standards to follow. So the true freedom is the freedom to create what matters to you. This is what it means to be a free spirit. The ability to abandon false truths and rebuild everything according to what feels right without fear of being wrong. Nietzsche also challenges us to question societal conventions, customs, and traditions. Society teaches us to follow certain patterns without ever asking why. But the free spirit of Nietzsche doesn't accept this submission. He urges us to see the rules we follow for what they really are, human-made creations, often driven by hidden interests. Without questioning the norms, we'll never truly be free. How can we ever know what is true? Nietzsche forces us to rethink this question. He doesn't deny that some truths may be useful, but he tells us that truth itself is not a value. Truth is a human construct, and like anything else, we can shape it to fit our needs. So what do you think? Should we always pursue the truth, or should we question whether it even has intrinsic value? So what have we learned here? Nietzsche shows us that by challenging the lies of truth, we can finally reach true freedom, the freedom to create our own values. But what if I told you that this freedom comes at an even higher price? In the next video, we'll dive into the concept of amor fati and how it leads us to embrace life as it is, with all its highs and lows. And maybe, just maybe, we'll learn to love our fate no matter what it brings. Don't miss it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any disruptive ideas like this.